Mahuru has brought us down the hill to this wetland. And Mahuru, you work for Manaaki Whenua, Land Care Research, and you've actually done quite a bit of research study on this wetland. Tell us about this area.
Well, this is an area that's very special to my heart, Shelley. This is the Toreparu wetland. It's located just south of Raglan out here on the west coast. So this wetland is really unique in the types of plants and animals that we have here. Wetlands are an area tend to be quite boggy, so that sit between dry area like forests or hillsides, and then rivers and streams, so it's that kind of in-between environment.
Yeah, so it's an environment that we've actually lost a lot of in Aotearoa. I think we've lost 90% of our wetlands, and they have a really important role to play.
Yeah, they do. So wetlands are really important when it comes to taking up nutrients, taking up sediment, and really helping when there's times of flood. So as you can see here, where there's not too many trees on the hillside, when it rains heavily you get the water that comes rushing down, and what happens when it hits this wetland is all this vegetation just slows that water down and gives the plants time to take up those extra nutrients, and it also allows time for some of that sediment or dirt to settle. So the wetland really does act like a kidney. It filters those things out, so by the time the water gets to the rivers and streams and eventually our oceans, it's beautiful and clear.
So not just important to the environment, but important to people as well. And I guess wetlands would have been very significant to Māori.
Oh, definitely. So wetlands like this are full of really unique plants and animals. Plants and animals that you only find in wetlands. So things like this raupo here, or bulrush, that was used as thatching for roofs, or sometimes for building seasonal homes as people moved around different areas to harvest from places like wetlands. We also have a lot of flax in the background. You can see that was used for weaving, as we know. And of course, there's lots of animals, things like native fish, that we used as a food source. Wetlands also have a unique type of mud in them, so they're often anoxic, which means there's no oxygen. So the mud was used to bury special things like carvings, like waka, like taiaha, to help cure that wood, making it hard and long lasting.
Wow, so really important that we look after these environments. And in a moment we're going to look at how we can do better at restoring our wetland like this. Kia ora, thanks Mahuru.
Kia ora.